Hi guys, my name is Jewel. I'm a product support engineer here at Zenty, and today we're going to cover using our IP400 series on the Zenty app, as well as the importance of putting it on its own network. Alright guys, so here we have the IP400 series. We have our 5 encoders and our 9 decoders. On the wall here we have a 2x2 screen, and then we have 5 individual TVs showing different sources. And here on the iPad we have our Zenty app where you can control everything. We change our sources. So let's say we got the 5 TVs here. If we want to change one of the sources, all we need to do is drag and drop, and that one should change. And then if we swipe over, we actually have a video wall situation going on, and there we can actually change the source as well by dragging and dropping. And we should see the effects here on the 2x2. There it is. And so let's say we want to go back to our basketball game. All we need to do is grab that source. Again, drag and drop. And it should show up on our 2x2 video wall here. Okay, so one thing I want to make note of is very important that with our IP400 series that you have it on an isolated network, separate from anything else you may have on your switch or your network system. So here it has its own dedicated router that we've connected to our Zenty switch, and there we're able to connect all of our devices, the encoders, the decoders, and the Zenty controller or the Zenty controller. And on the Zenty app, all we need to do is go to our settings here. There's a connection setting. We click that. And then all we need to do is say connect to controller. But if we need to adjust the IP address, we go to advanced settings, admin, ADMIN, hit OK. There we can change the IP controller's address. So right now it's 192.168.101.13. We hit connect to controller, and there we can see everything. So we have the ungrouped all here. Swipe over. Now we have our video wall. And this is also important so that, again, we can control everything on one network. And this gives the isolation. So if you have other things on your network, there's no interference involved at all. Everything is separate from one another. So thank you guys for watching our video on the IP400 series covering the Zenty app and network setup. If you like videos like this, please like this video and leave a comment below telling us your thoughts. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.